In this video, we will see antipsychotic drugs, their classification and questions regarding them. So, antipsychotic drugs, which are also called as neuroleptics or major tranquilizers, these are classified into 5 classes, that is phenothiazines, butyraphaenones, atypical neuroleptics, thioxanthines, and other heterocyclic compounds. So, phenothiazines are also classified into 3 categories, that is aliphatic side chain, piperidine side chain, and piperazine side chain. Chlorpromazine and triflupromazine are aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drugs. Thioridazine is from the class of piperidine side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drug. And trifluperazine, fluphenazine are piperazine side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drugs. The other class is butyrophenones. So, haloperidol, trifluperidol, and penfluridol are butyrophenone antipsychotic class drugs. Flupentixol is thioxanthine antipsychotic drugs. Pimozide, loxapine, and reserpine are other heterocyclic antipsychotic drugs. Clozapine, risperidone, olanzapine, quetiapine, aripiprazole, ziprasidone are atypical neuroleptic antipsychotic drugs. So, now we'll see the questions. The following is correct about antipsychotic drugs. That they do not means antipsychotic drugs do not produce dependence. They only control symptoms of schizophrenia without affecting the basic disorder. In treating psychosis, high potency drugs are preferred over low potency drugs. Select the drug which should not be used to treat neurotic anxiety and tension syndromes despite having anti-anxiety actions. So, chlorpromazine from the class of aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drug. It should not be used to treat neurotic anxiety and tension syndrome despite having anti-anxiety action. Chlorpromazine is ineffective in vomiting due to motion sickness. So, chlorpromazine is from the class of aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic, which is ineffective in vomiting due to motion sickness. The neuroleptic syndrome produced by chlorpromazine like drugs is characterized by, so first of all we'll see neuroleptic syndrome. It affects the nervous system and causes symptoms like a high fever and muscle stiffness. The condition is serious but it's treatable. So, chlorpromazine like drugs, which chlorpromazine is from the class of aliphatic phenothiazine antipsychotic drug. It is characterized by, that is neuroleptic syndrome is characterized by ataxia. Ataxia is a term for a group of disorders that affect coordination, balance and speech. Any part of the body can be affected, but people with ataxia often have difficulties with balance, walking and speaking. The distinctive action of chlorpromazine like drugs not possessed by any other class of drugs. So, chlorpromazine is from the class of aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drugs, which possess the distinctive characteristic that correction of distortions of thought and perception occurring in psychosis. Actions of chlorpromazine include the following. Chlorpromazine is from the class of aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drug, which shows indifference to external stimuli, postural hypotension and hypothermia in cold surroundings. Fluphenazine differs from chlorpromazine in the following respect. So, fluphenazine is from the piperazine side chain phenothiazine compound and chlorpromazine is aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic compound. So, fluphenazine is less sedative. It is less likely to precipitate seizures in epileptics and it causes more prominent extrapyramidal side effects. Compared to other antipsychotic drugs. The distinctive feature of penfluridol is, so penfluridol is from the butyrophenone antipsychotic drug. It shows very long duration of action. Which of the following adverse effects of neuroleptic drugs is positively correlated to the antipsychotic potency of the different compounds? So, extrapyramidal motor disturbances are positively correlated to the antipsychotic potency of the different compounds. Selective inhibition of conditioned avoidance response in animals by a drug indicates that the drug is likely to be effective in schizophrenia. The following action of chlorpromazine is not based on its antidopaminergic property, that is, hypotensive. Chlorpromazine is from the class of aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drug. Chlorpromazine therapy increases the secretion of the following hormone, that is prolactin. The following drug is not likely to produce dependence, that is chlorpromazine, which is from aliphatic side chain phenothiazine antipsychotic drug. Which of the following is a long-acting neuroleptic having specific antidopaminergic action but little adrenergic or cholinergic blocking activity? That is pimozide, from the class of other heterocyclic antipsychotic drugs. The major limitation in the use of clozapine for the treatment of schizophrenia is its potential to cause agranulocytosis. So, clozapine is from the class of atypical neuroleptic antipsychotic drug. What is true of risperidone? Risperidone is a typical neuroleptic from antipsychotic drugs. It is an atypical neuroleptic which produces few extrapyramidal side effects, and it has combined dopaminergic and 5-HT2 receptor blocking activity. The following antipsychotic drug has weak dopamine D2 but additional 5-HT2 blocking activity and benefits both positive and negative symptoms of schizophrenia. So, clozapine, which is a typical neuroleptic, has benefits both positive and negative symptoms of schizophrenia. Which of the following is an atypical neuroleptic drug? That is olanzapine, from the atypical neuroleptic antipsychotic class drug. Olanzapine has the following feature. Olanzapine from the atypical neuroleptics has the following features, like it is an antipsychotic drug with weak dopamine D2 receptor blocking action. It has potent 5-HT2 blocking and anti-muscarinic actions. It lowers seizure threshold. Which of the following is a high potency antipsychotic drug having minimal sedative and autonomic effects and no propensity to cause weight gain? That is haloperidol, from the class of butyrophenone antipsychotic drug. Clozapine is considered to be an atypical neuroleptic because clozapine from the atypical neuroleptic class, it has weak antidopaminergic action but high antipsychotic efficacy, and its side effect profile is different from that of chlorpromazine, which is from the class aliphatic side chain phenothiazine compound. The following side effect of typical neuroleptics may respond to propranolol, that is akathisia. It is a feeling of muscle quivering, restlessness, and inability to sit still. The extrapyramidal adverse effect of antipsychotic drug therapy which does not respond to central anticholinergics is tardive dyskinesia. The psychotic symptoms most benefited by neuroleptic drugs are hallucinations, delusions, and aggressive behavior. A maniac patient has been brought to the hospital with non-stop talking, singing, uncontrollable behavior, and apparent loss of contact with reality. Which of the following is the most appropriate drug for rapid control of his symptoms? That is haloperidol, from the butyrophenone class antipsychotic drug. Thanks.